previous video we have learnt about the perimeter. Now today we are going to learn about area of a given figure. Okay. First we'll see area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side. Okay. And area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Okay. And these areas are measured in the unit square meter, okay, or square centimeter or square kilometer. Okay, so these are the units to measure the area. Now students, one example we'll see first. In your textbook page number 81, here it is given one rectangular garden is there, and this garden is 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. Okay, and a 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary using the tiles 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter in size. How many such tiles will be required? Now what is given, just see. First we'll draw figure so that we'll understand it better. Now one garden is there, rectangular. This garden is a rectangular garden. Rectangular garden is given. Okay, and this garden is long, 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. This length is 40 meter and this width means wideness is 30 meter. Okay, and 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary. Along the boundary, this 2 meter portion is paved. 2 meter, it is a 2 meter. This is 2 meter, this is also 2 meter, this is also 2 meter. Okay, for what purpose? For this garden, this area is to be paved with the help of tiles. We are going to put the tiles in this portion, shaded portion. Okay, and the size of a tiles is also given. One tile size is given 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Okay, like this tiles here we have to put. So how much tiles will required? Okay, now children, see, for that purpose what we have to do? We have to find out the area of this shaded portion. Area of shaded portion, so that we come to know how much tiles will require. Okay, but before that we'll find the area of a garden, whole garden. Okay, so area of a garden is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of a garden, rectangular. Okay, length into breadth. So length is given 40 meter multiplied by 30 meter. How much? 1200 square meter, because unit is square meter. Okay, this is the area of a whole total garden. Got it? Now secondly, we'll find the area of this portion which is not paved, which is not going to be paved inside this area. We are going to find out how much this area, what is the length of this area. Now see here children, see carefully. Now this length is how much? 40. Okay, this and this is 40, but this is, we have to going to decrease this 2 meter, this side and this side. 2 meter we are going to reduce. That means 2 plus 2 how much? 4 meter. 40 minus 4 how much? 36. So length is 36 multiplied by, now what we are going to find out here? Area of the portion which is not paved. That portion. Okay, and width is 30 meter. Here also 30 meter, here also 30 meter. Okay, but again, what is going on? 2 meter and 2 meter we have to decrease. That means 2 plus 2, 4 meter. That means how much it is? 26 is equal to how much? So 36 multiplied by 26. 36 multiplied by 26. Here we are going to find out. 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7, 6, 3, 9, 936. 936 square meter is the area of this portion. Now see, we know the area of whole garden. We know the area of this middle portion. So it is very easy to find out this. How to find? What to do? First we are going to subtract this middle portion from the whole, so that we will get this shaded portion area. What it? So the area of this paved area means where we are going to put the tiles. That area is equal to area of paved portion is equal to how much? What is the area of total garden? 1200. What is the area which is not paved? 936 is equal to how much? Now here it is 264 square meter. If you will subtract, you will get this 264 square meter is the area which is going to be paved. Okay, got it up to here? Now what to do? We have to find out first area of the tile, one tile. Now here length of the tile is given. Length of the tile is given how much? 25 centimeter, and breadth is given 20 centimeter. Length and breadth is given. Now find out the area. This is the rectangular. So length and breadth area is equal to area of a tile is equal to how much? 25 multiplied by 20. But here see, here it is, these tiles are given in a centimeter. Okay, and all areas are given here in a meter. So we have to convert it into meter. And we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 25 centimeter is equal to 25 upon 100 meter. Okay, so instead of writing 25, what we will write? 25 upon 100 multiplied by 20 upon 100. Okay, so 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 21s are 20, 25s are, so it is 1 upon 20 square meter. 1 upon 20 square meter is the area of one tile. Okay, now we know the area of this shaded portion which is going to be paved, and we know the area of one tile. Now what we have to do? We are going to find out how much tiles will be required for paving this area. Now what we have to do? Number of tiles. Number of tiles is equal to total area upon area of one tile. Area of one tile. Okay, got it? Now total area is, how much is the total area? This shaded portion 264. So 264 divided by, upon means divided by, area of one tile is 1 upon 20. Okay, here it is divided, here it will multiply. 64 multiplied by 20. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5 and put this 0. That means number of tiles. How much tiles will require? 5280 tiles will be required for paving this area. What is this much tiles will require? Got it, students? Now we'll see more examples. We'll see practice set number 45. In that first example, if the side of a square is 12 cm, find its area. Now here what is given? We'll write first given side of a square is given. It is how much? 12 cm. 12 cm. And find its area. We know the formula. What is the area of a square? Is equal to side multiplied by side. Side is given how much? 12 cm multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 12 how much? Is equal to 144 square centimeter. It is square centimeter. So area of a square is equal to 144 square centimeter. Okay. Second example we'll see. The length of a rectangle is given. This is first example. What is given? Second example. Given things we'll write first. Length of a rectangle is given. Is equal to 15 centimeter is given. Okay. And the breadth is given 5 centimeter. And the breadth is given how much? 5 centimeter. Then ask us to find its area. Now formula for finding the area of a rectangle is equal to area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Correct? So length is given 15 centimeter multiplied by 5. How much? 75. So area of a rectangle is equal to 75 square centimeter. Square centimeter. So this is the area. Okay. So children, in this way you can solve remaining sums.